Kenzie. We have men of Biafra. I got killed. I went to Nigerian embassy. Now I actually let go. Open a helicopter. Let go. One day, can you find where you go?
One day, I have one down. 1 week. I live in Nnamdi.
Confirm.
I have to be here again.
Confirm.
I last warning.
Confirm.
What I got you for that. One day I never had it.
I did now.
Like
Confirm. Watching it.
I did more. I have been because I believe I get what I want.
Watching it.
So I am right to take idea. I don't want that. Yeah, told you.
You've been up on here now.
I buy the here now. I keep.
Okay. Keep on after you.
A family. Chibozo.
Okay. Oh, you're only a big cable.
Abumonia, Umudro, young Queen out. Then on a Basia, because of where the phone Onion Nacho no terrorist man.
Child rapist.
One year ago, this is the line man, the color.
Confirm.
I actually be a boss.
Confirm. Watching it. Okay. Watching it. I got there again. Tony watching it. They're going in with you guys ever in now. I'm getting better together.
Yeah, you could ever do it. And the Kudochia or any money of the Miami and Marin from my I have been
confirmed.
Neither about I need you the old, I need you on my age.
Confirmed.
I had you the Bible. Because you make a Marocana, which had you 1 night with man, confirmed design.
Confirmed.
So now, on one edge, Grandma Hand and Madame had you and I had
confirmed.
I will go and make a design will hand
Confirmed.
Brian 1 night worker.
Confirmed.
Confirmed.
Get one after you. Elias John. I have a cable one. Yeah, Urban State. One night, okay, get one age of Maragana. Yeah. Hey, I come, I could jar. Get one here on over there, make a bin on now. I came a cage and I gave a Jackie. Oh, Bugatti working it. Okay. Child rapist. Okay. Get one after you. When you beg one. On Abia. Na Biafra land or Nigeria land? Okay. Okay, the regular one watching it. I'm now going to be a peaceful protest. Now, we're going to be a good. But you see, you can. Unagasa Panagasa. I'm from Enugu State. Nsoka. I am a chief. I got a embassy, Nigeria, letter consigned Ujihaji 19 workable Kanu, our director. And the fact is, a man and gburugburu. So, I am a chief. I am not dream. I got a present a letter and how am I going to bring. So, and I joke your mother. and ha treatikwa na ya obi ọma, ihe triti ya obi ọma, ha treatikwa na ya obi ọjọọ, anyị triti ya obi ọjọọ. Nke ọbụla ha chọrọ anyị ga-enye ha fully because we are resolute. So I'm the coordinator of Odessa branch, Odessa zone. So and in there for Kucharoko and the Ejiabana Odessa zone. One day and about the men's on ground in Biafran Odessa zone. So all go twice we have 4 guys we don't have a Biafra. And I'm a very gentleman, Bob Napo. So I'm making a when I see Nnamdi Kanu must release or if the banana man. Biafra ga-abịa n'ike nke Chukwu ka abịa. Tekwara unu nwa bụ ndị dị nọ na Biafra land na mara Jizọs.
Obe, Buhari must obey Biafra, obe.
Obe, 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 the zoo must obey Biafra,
obe.
na o nweghị ihe o mere fa obi nke ndụ okwu amamife ọ na-enye Naijiria. Anyị achọghịzị ka Naijiria na-akọntrolu anyị, anyị achọghịzị ka ha na-achị anyị. Anyị gosi ya na anyị ga-achịnwe onwe anyị without ha nwa. Mana ọ bụrụ na ha nwa chọghọ ịdụ ọnụ anyị, anyị agwakwa ha na anyị nwapụwu Chineke Chukwu okike abịa ma nwere ife anyị ga-emenwu ha mara onwe ha atụ ha ya n'ime mmụọ na eziokwu. Ife anyị na-eme n'ụbọchị tata ndị ala anyị nọ n'ime gburugburu ma maka ya ọ bụrụ ihe nzuzo.
Kedụ ka isi na ọ ga-abute bọs?
Baba Sabo problem. I'm coordinator of this zone. I'm an Kyiv, Federal, Ukraine. I in the Nigerian embassy letter consigned to release our able director, Nnamdi Kanu. And that letter, I actually there 2 times. Oh, football, I got here. I got just him over a him if I got a letter. One also Chukwu Kabia Mabaya, my family. Oga there in the Biafra, IPOB in the whole world. Nama, Naha Chukwu Kabia. Amen. Say, I don't know.
You're welcome.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
We are now about to go and do what the president from us today. Yeah. And we, IPOB, we are not violent. We must be peaceful, orderliness. You respect the words of your coordinator, because the coordinators are in charge of this protest, not anybody else. Please, it must be peaceful. We are now going from here now to the zoo embassy. The police are there now waiting for us. They have called us 2 or 3 times. They are there waiting for us. So maybe next 10 minutes, I can move from here now to the embassy. Then when we present our protest to them, then we go to Amnesty International. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. How can you change that board? Sorry, I'm black and
Very good, yeah. Director. They tomorrow, unfailingly, whatever thing they want, they will say.
Don't need to beg them. It is what they're supposed to do. When they come down now, come we are in zoo. Of Biafra. So we had to find a Nigerian Nigerian question happen. We can never be one. So Chineke na bineligwe. Are you here today, bo? That this Biafra, this struggle, I got them back. We are not going back. We will never die. Biafra must come. Amen. Biafra is at hand. So on your blast Biafra gadi. Amen. Nigerian President Buhari also Biafra gadi. Yoruba so Biafra gadi. Because Biafra troho. Nigerian wo wine bradi. Nigeria. Wine na tupu anyo mami. I want we Igbo with culture. Igbo gadi. And I want Biafra. Biafra gadi. Ogadi the room baby.
Onye si udo dị ya mma ya nwụọ udo ka anyị chọrọ ndị ọzọ na-abịa ọhịa Biafra nwanne nwoke wetara flag ala biko
no comment yet.
All we are saying, give us Biafra.
we are saying. Give us Biafra, saying. Give us Biafra. Obey, 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 obey. Buhari must obey Biafra. Obey, 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 obey. Buhari must obey Biafra. Obey, 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 obey. This must obey Biafra. Obey.
Ikwere na Biafra,
Biafra, Biafra. Ikwere na Biafra. Were no makagelo. Ikwere na Biafra, Biafra, Biafra. Ikwere na Biafra. Were no makagelo. Ikwere na Biafra, Biafra, Biafra. Ikwere na Biafra. Were no makagelo.
Biafra,
Biafra, Biafra. Ikwere na Biafra. Were no makagelo.
Obey Biafra, obey, obey, Biafra, one thing talking. Where you Biafra, one thing talking. Na 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 na, Nabiko, where you Biafra, one thing talking. Na 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 na, Nabiko, where you Biafra, one thing talking. Where are you Biafra, one thing talking? Yes, sir. Where are you Biafra, one thing talking? Who na ni ga mama? Where are you Biafra, one thing talking? Asemun Nabiko. Na 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 na, Nabiko. Where are you Biafra, one thing talking? Asemun Nabiko. Na 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 na, Nabiko. Where are you Biafra, one thing talking? Ukunala. Where are you Biafra, one thing talking? Who na ni ga mama? Where are you Biafra, one thing talking? Ukunala. Biafra, one thing to get who na nigga, mamma. Where are you, Biafra, one thing to get? Nabiko. Na 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 na. Nabiko. Where are you, Biafra, one thing to get? Asemon Nabiko. Na 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 na. Nabiko. Where are you, Biafra, one thing to get? Biafra, one thing to get who na nigga, mamma. Where are you, Biafra, one thing to get? Where are you, Biafra, one thing to get? Asemon Nabiko. Na 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 na. Nabiko, where are you Biafra, one thing to get? Asemon Nabiko. Na na na. Nabiko, where are you Biafra, one thing to get? Ukunala. Nani Biafra, one thing to get? Hula nigga, mama. Where are you Biafra, one thing to get? Ukunala. Hey. Nani Biafra, one thing to get? Hala nigga, mama. Where are you Biafra, one thing to get? Asemon Nabiko. Na 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 na. Nabiko, where are you Biafra, one thing to get? Asemon Nabiko. Na 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 na. Nabiko, where are you Biafra, one thing to get? Ukunala. Nani Biafra, one thing to get? Hala nigga, mama. Where are you Biafra, one thing to get? Ukunala. Nani Biafra, one thing to get? Hula nigga, mama. Where are you Biafra, one thing to get? Asemon Nabiko. Na 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 na. Nabiko, where are you Biafra, one thing to get? Asemon Nabiko. Na 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 na. Nabiko, where are you Biafra, one thing to get? Seko. Nani Biafra, one thing to get? Hula nigga, mama. Where are you Biafra, one thing to get? Seko. Nani Biafra, one thing to get? Hala nigga, mama. Where are you Biafra, one thing to get? Asemon Nabiko. Na 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 na. Nabiko, where are you Biafra, one thing to get? Asemon Nabiko. Na 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 na. Nabiko, where are you Biafra, one thing to get? Nani Biafra, one thing to get? Hala
nwantịntị oge.
Seko. Anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge ụlọ anyị ga-ama mma o.
Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge.
Asị m nna biko.
Nna biko. Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge. Nna biko. Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge.
Anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge ụlọ anyị ga-ama mma o.
Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge.
Anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge ụlọ anyị ga-ama mma o.
Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge.
Asị m nna biko.
Nna biko. Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge.
Asị m nna biko.
Nna biko. Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge.
Anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge ụlọ anyị ga-ama mma o.
Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge.
Anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge ụlọ anyị ga-ama mma o.
Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge. Nna biko. Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge.
Ugwu n'ala.
Nna biko. Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge.
Anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge ụlọ anyị ga-ama mma o.
Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge.
Anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge ụlọ anyị ga-ama mma o.
Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge.
Asị m nna biko.
Nna biko. Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge.
Asị m nna biko.
Nna biko. Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge.
Anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge ụlọ anyị ga-ama mma o.
Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge.
Onye ọbụla okwu n'ala. Anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge ụlọ anyị ga-ama mma o.
Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge.
Asị m nna biko.
Nna biko. Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge.
Asị m nna biko.
Nna biko. Mere anyị Biafra nwantịntị oge.
Okwu n'ala.
Ebe ka unu si?
Biafra.
Ebe ka unu si?
Biafra gamarapụ. Biafra gabe bọzọ gabiri.
Agamabụ.
Biafra gabe bọzọ gabiri. Biafra gadị ndụ.
Ebe ka unu si?
Biafra.
Ebe ka unu si?
Biafra gamarapụ. Biafra gabe bọzọ gabiri. Ikwere na Biafra. 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 Ikwere na Biafra. Welere moto ka genu.
Nsogbu.
Enyi.
Nsogbu.
Enyi mba enyi.
Nsogbu.
Enyi mba enyi.
Nsogbu.
Enyi mba enyi. Enyi mba enyi.
Nsogbu.
Enyi mba enyi.
Nsogbu.
Enyi mba enyi. Enyi mba enyi. Enyi mba enyi. Enyi mba enyi.
Nsogbu.
Enyi mba enyi.
Nsogbu.
Enyi mba enyi.
Buhari.
Enyi mba enyi.
Buhari.
Enyi mba enyi.
Buhari.
Enyi mba enyi. Enyi mba enyi.
Nsogbu.
Enyi mba enyi.
Nsogbu.
Enyi mba enyi. Enyi mba enyi. Enyi mba enyi. Enyi mba enyi.
Biafra.
All we are
Give us Biafra.
We are not here for me.
Or remember inside the camp get disappointed. So what is the reason of this panic?
Oh yeah, well, Kuku, guys, no one by the account, no, but I have a account of pieces.
Again, if Mwa or anybody like him have to work with me, they are put here. Or the only guy got by inside the $1 billion mlawa. So what I am the issue is very simple. I will meet the ambassador. But we cannot take decision for Biafrans. We have listened to him. He has addressed us. But the decision is not left for us there to decide. The decision is left for every one of us here to do what? Decide. So you people should not panic. You people should not worry.
God bless you.
We met the ambassador and he has explained a lot of things. He is not against what we're doing, but his own explanation and my own understanding. The ambassador wants us to deliver the letter privately to him there. And we said, No.
Thank you.
We said we cannot do that because it is against what we know and what our people believe. But we must come out to ask you people if you should accept that or not, because he said, wait.
Go and meet him.
Come, tell him if you
Next time we are coming, we are not going to inform him.
Now, listen.
Ọkwa ambassador kọ.
Enye anyị Biafra na ntịtị oge Nigeria ga-adị mma.
Mere anyị Biafra na ntịtị oge.
Enye anyị Biafra na ntịtị oge ala anyị ga-adị mma.
Mere anyị Biafra na ntịtị oge.
Nna biko.
Nna biko, mere anyị Biafra na ntịtị oge.
Ohuru Biafra.
Biafra.
Ohuru Biafra.
Ohuru Biafra.
We are now to give our letter to the delegated person of the Nigerian, of the ambassador. But first of all, I have to read what we're giving to them before you, because we are copying to many organizations and to the government of this country. To the embassy of Nigeria in Ukraine. This is from Kornijitr Biafra of Ukraine, the indigenous people of Biafra, a registered organization here with number 1424697. And I read, on behalf of the indigenous people of Biafra in Ukraine, we wish to bring this report to your attention. On the 14th of October 2015, the secret and oppressive police of Nigeria, known as the Directorate of State Security Service, arrested and detained the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra and the director of Radio Biafra London. A court of competent jurisdiction having granted him bail, yet he remained incarcerated. We wish to say that this action is questionable, condemnable, and in contravention of his fundamental human rights and the right to self-determination of the indigenous people of Biafra as enshrined in the UN Charter and the AU Charter and domesticated and ratified by the Nigerian government in 1983. Till this moment, the Nigerian government and its presidency kept mute over the whereabouts and conditions of Nnamdi Kanu until yesterday. And this is a style known only in the dark days of the military junta in Nigeria and in Africa as a whole. We, the indigenous people of Biafra, see this incident as reckless, militaristic, overzealous, and a fundamental breach of Nigeria's international human rights obligations, particularly the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, as regards to the right to personal liberty, fair hearing, and self-determination, as contained in Articles 6, 7, and 20 of the African Union Rights of 1981, which was ratified and domesticated by the Nigerian government in 1983. Failure by the Nigerian government to obey the decisions of a court of competent jurisdiction with regards to the bail order issued by that court which have granted him bail, and failure to disclose the offense under which he is being detained is also a fundamental violation of Section 35 on personal liberty, Section 36, Cap Section 8 on fair hearing, and Section 36, Cap 12 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. By contravening the above sections of the Constitution, the presidency under Muhammadu Buhari has exposed malicious intent surrounding the arrest of Mr. Nnamdi Kanu and his executive recklessness. This is a clear replica of the very dark era of military dictatorships in Nigeria, during which citizens were abducted by security agents and disappeared without trace. The Buhari presidency and DSS should honor the bail order granted by a court of competent jurisdiction immediately, or release Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally, even as all the requirements of his bail have been met. We therefore advise that the intelligence network deployed in arresting the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mr. Nnamdi Kanu, who was not armed or an insurgent, should be directed towards fishing out strategic elements of Boko Haram terrorists and their bomb makers and detonators. This is our agitation. We have to present to the Nigerian embassy to be forwarded to the appropriate authority in Abuja or yes. And this thing has been copied to Amnesty International and other organizations. As we are receiving it, many other organizations will be receiving their own. So this is the copy of what I read. I'm now handing it over to the representative of the ambassador. Of Ifonu DM Kanga. No,
I will tell you my name. Okay? Okay. First of all, my name is Mr. Chikezie Mwachukwu, Councillor on the Mission. I want to thank you for the maturity you have exhibited. It shows that you are all responsible people. In some other place, it might have been different. But because you came as matured people, you came as responsible people, that is why everything is calm. And I want to thank you on behalf of the ambassador and the officers of the embassy. Now, Nigeria is a democracy. It's not a military regime. Therefore, everybody has the right to protest or to agitate for whatever he wants to agitate for. And I am aware that sometimes, you know, it goes out of hand and becomes violent, especially when there is something to trigger that violence. But I'm happy that today there is nothing to trigger that violence because we have matured people. So I want to thank you. As you are aware, the embassy exists here for you. If there are no Nigerians here, there won't be any embassy. So we are here to serve you, and you have given us a letter to be delivered to the federal government of Nigeria. I want to assure you, on behalf of the ambassador and the staff here, we will deliver the letter. We are the errand boy of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and we are also your errand boy. Without you, we are doing nothing here. That is the truth. So we want to assure you, whatever it is that you have written here, we get to Abuja and we get to the presidency. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
My brother, you talk well. If Nigeria talk like this, that's how we go. Biafra, Gamara, Biafra, Gamara, Gamara, Biafra, Gamara, Biafra, Gadendo. Nigeria, happen on the corner. Nigeria, happen on the corner. Adrumonu sinenigwe happen on the corner. Adrumonu sinenigwe happen on the corner. Together, happen on the corner. Bugari, happen on the corner. Adrumonu sinenigwe happen on the corner. Adrumonu sinenigwe happen on the corner. Together, happen on the corner. Together, happen on the corner. Adrumonu sinenigwe happen on the corner. Adrumonu sinenigwe happen on the corner.
Kind of. Okay, wait.
Kirani, because it's not something.
Tirando. Biafra, 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 Biafra,